Hello everyone, this is Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be covering the lesson about finding the solution to a system of equations. In our previous episodes, we already studied the meaning of system of equations and the solution to a system of equations. This time, I will show and explain how to find the solution to a system of equations. Okay, there are two ways on how to find the solution to a system of equations. We have the first way, substitution method, and the other is elimination method. Okay, let's start with substitution method. We have here an example, system of equations, y is equal to 5 minus x and x minus y is equal to 3. We will be finding the solution to this system of equations. Okay, we are going to follow these 3 steps. Okay, the first one here is we will rewrite one of the equations in terms of a single variable. Okay, it means x is equal to the number or expression, or y is equal to the number or expression. But if you're going to take a look at our given, this is already y is equal to 5 minus x. So we are going to use y is equal to 5 minus x. Okay, moving on to the next step, we will substitute the expression from step 1, and that is y is equal to 5 minus x. Okay, into the other equation. Where is the other equation? This equation, x minus y is equal to 3. So we will be substituting this value to this equation. And that is to eliminate one variable. Then we are going to solve the resulting equation. Okay, let's substitute. So our another equation here is x minus y is equal to 3. So y is 5 minus x. So we have here x minus y, which is 5 minus x. Okay, this is equal to 3. Okay, let's simplify. So this is x, okay, minus 5 plus x is equal to 3. X plus x, that's equal to 2x. And this is equal to 3. Move minus 5 on the other side, it will become 3 plus 5. So plus 5. So 2x is equal to 8. Okay, if we are going to find x, then that means 8 divided by 2. So x now is 4. So the value of x is 4. Okay, we are going to substitute the value found in step 2, or this value, back into the equation from step 1 to find the other variable. Okay, the other variable is y. So we will substitute this value in this equation. So y is equal to 5 minus x. X is 4, so it means 5 minus 4, then y is equal to 1. Okay, it means the solution to this system of equations is this ordered pair 4, 1. Okay, if we are going to check, we are just going to substitute these values in these equations. Okay, let's do that. Y is equal to 5 minus x. Y is 1. 5 minus x is 4. So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. So this is correct. Okay, what about x minus y is equal to 3? X is 4, y is 1. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. So this is also correct. So the solution is 4 and 1. Okay, let's have another example by answering this concept check question. This is a method for solving the system of equations y is equal to x plus 3 and 2x plus y is equal to 9 using substitution method. We will fill in the correct number in the box. So first, we will substitute equation A into equation B. So equation A is y is equal to x plus 3. So let's substitute this one in this second equation. So we have here 2x plus y is equal to 9. So what is y? X plus 3. So we have here 2x plus x plus 3, then this is equal to 9. Okay, and then if we're going to simplify, this is 2x plus 3, 2x plus x plus 3 is equal to 9. So 2x plus 3x, 2x plus x, that's equal to 3x. And this is equal to 9 minus 3, then this is equal to 6. So 3x is equal to 6. And to find the value of x, we just need to divide both sides by 3. So 6 divided by 3, then x now is equal to 2. So the value of x is 2. Okay, the next step would be substituting x equals 2 into the equation or into equation A, y is equal to x plus 3, to find the value of y. Okay, the value of x is 2, so this is 2 plus 3, then y now is equal to 5. So 2 plus 3, then this is equal to 5. So the solution to this system of equation is, okay, the x-coordinate would be 2, and then y is 5. So we have 2, 5. Okay, let's check if these values are correct. Okay, let's go back to our equations. Okay, y is 5. X is 2. So 2 plus 3, then that's equal to 5. So this is correct. What about 2x plus y is equal to 9? 2, x is 2, so 2 times 2, this is 4. Y is 5. So we have 4 plus 5, then that's equal to 9. So this is correct. So 2 and 5, this is the solution to this system of equations. Okay, moving on to the next or to the second step or to the second method in finding the solution to a system of equations, we have here what we call elimination method. Okay, let's also give an example on how to use this elimination method in finding the solution to a system of equations. Okay, we have here these equations, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6 and x plus 4y is equal to 8. Okay, let's follow these 3 steps. The first one here is we will multiply both sides of each equation by an appropriate number to make the absolute values of the coefficients of the variable to be eliminated equal. Okay, what does it mean by this one? Okay, by looking at these equations, 2x plus 3y is equal to 6, x plus 4y is equal to 8, we actually want to eliminate one variable. And to do that, we will multiply both sides of the equation by an appropriate number. Okay, if we will take a look at these equations, this equation x plus 4y is equal to 8, okay, can be multiplied by 2. So 2 times this expression, so it's going to be 8 times this, 8 times 2. And 2 times x plus 4y would be, so this is 2x, and 2 times 4y is going to be 8y. So plus 8y is equal to 8 times 2, that's equal to 16. Okay, we actually make the absolute values of the coefficients of the variable to be eliminated equal. We actually made these coefficients equal. Okay, moving on to the second step, we're going to add or subtract the two equations from step 1 to find the value of one variable. Okay, let's copy this equation. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. And this equation, 2x plus 8y is equal to 16. We will add or subtract so we can eliminate one variable. Since this is positive 2x and this is also positive 2x, we're going to subtract. So 2x minus 2x, this is now 0. And 3y minus 8y is negative 5y. What about 6 minus 16? Then that's equal to negative 10. And to find y, we just have to divide both sides by negative 5. So negative 10 divided by negative 5, then y is equal to 2. So the value of y is 2. Okay, now we are now going to move to the third step. We will substitute the value found in step 2 into either equation to find the other variable. So we are looking for the other variable here means we are looking for the value of x. Okay, let's just use this equation because according to this one, either equation into either equation. So let's just get x plus 4y is equal to 8. So x plus 4y is equal to 8. Okay, what is the value of y? 2. So 4 times 2, then this is 8. To find x, move this on the other side. So 8 minus 8, then that's going to be equal to 0. So it means x is equal to 0. So the solution to this system of equations is we have this ordered pair 0, 2. Okay, let's check if these values are correct. We will substitute in each equation. Okay, let's start with the first one. 2x plus 3y is equal to 6. 2 times 0, then this is now 0. Y is 2, so 3 times 2, 6. 6 is equal to 6, so this is correct. What about x plus 4y is equal to 8? X is 0, so this is 0. Y is 2, so 4 times 2, 8. So 8 is equal to 0. So it means this solution is correct. Okay, another example is this one. Okay, let's also answer this concept check question as another example for our elimination method. Okay, this is a method for solving the system of equations x plus 2y is equal to 4 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 8 using elimination method. We will fill in the correct number in the box. So first, we will subtract equation A or we will subtract equation B from equation A. So this is our equation A, equation B. So we will subtract. Okay, if we will subtract, then 2y minus 2y, then this becomes 0. And we have here negative x minus 3x, then that's going to be equal to negative 2x. And 4 minus 8, then that's equal to negative 4. So negative 2x is equal to negative 4. And to find the value of x, we just need to divide both sides by negative 2. So it means x is positive 2. So the value of x is positive 2. So we are now ready to substitute the value of x into equation A. So our x is 2. Equation A here is x plus 2y is equal to 4. So 2, okay, plus, we have here 2y is equal to 4. So 2y is equal to 4. So this is now 2 plus 2y is equal to 4. Okay, to find the value of y, move this on the other side. So this now becomes 4 minus 2. So we just have 2y on the left side is equal to 2. So y is equal to 1. So the value of y is 1. So the solution to this system of equation is we have the value for x, which is 2, and the value of y, which is 1. So we have 2y. Okay, let's check if this solution is correct. Let's substitute in our equations. Okay, x is 2. So this is 2 and y is 1. So 2 times 1 is going to be 2. So 2 plus 2, then that's equal to 4. So this is correct. Okay, what about in the second equation? 3 times 2, then this is 6. And 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 6 plus 2, then this is equal to 8. So this is also correct. So our answer is correct. Okay, so that's how to find the solution to a system of equations using elimination method. In our next episode, I will be showing how to solve more problems. I will be showing how to solve more problems about finding the solution to a system of equations.